Atento, oh, oh, Atento. Atento is a global provider of customer relationship management (CRM) and business process outsourcing (BPO) services, including customer care, sales, collections, back office, and technical support. Atento is the largest provider in Latin America and among the top 5 providers globally based on revenues. The company tops the Latin American market with 17.3% market share at the regional level according to Frost and Sullivan. Atento's CEO is Carlos López-Abadía. Since 1999, the company has developed its business model in 13 countries where it employs 150,000 people. Atento has over 400 clients to whom it offers CRM/BPO services through multiple channels. Atento's clients are mostly multinational corporations in sectors such as telecommunications, banking and financial services, health, retail, and public administrations, among others. The company trades under the symbol ATO on the New York Stock Exchange (NYSE) and operates through 3 segments: EMEA, Americas, and Brazil. History. In 2000, Atento was launched in Spain when Telefónica grouped its call center business in Spain and other Latin American countries into a subsidiary business unit. Sale and flotation. On October 2012, Telefónica agreed to sell Atento to Bain Capital for $1.03. Under the terms of the deal, Atento would continue to provide services to the Telefónica Group for at least 9 years after the agreement. In September 2014, Atento announces launch of initial public offering (IPO). In October, the company filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissions for a $300 million IPO. Atento hired the investment banking units of Morgan Stanley and Co. MS and Credit Suisse Group AG CSGN, VX and Brazil's Itaú Unibanco Holding SAITUB4 SA to handle the transaction. December 11, 2014. Atento announced the sale of its operations in the Czech Republic to Condate SBA. Operations Command Centers and Customer Experience Centers. In 2015, Atento opened operations command centers in Sao Paulo, Mexico City, and Madrid, centralizing the management of over 80 customer relationship centers located in more than 10 different countries. Also that year, the company opened its first Customer Experience Solutions Center in Mexico. Atento Digital. Atento Digital was launched in 2017. It is the company's business unit focused on driving growth for clients across verticals and geographies through the integration of all of Atento's digital assets. Locations. Atento has 93 contact centers in 13 countries: Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, El Salvador, Guatemala, Mexico, Morocco, Panama, Peru, Puerto Rico, Spain, United States, and Uruguay. Acquisitions and partnerships. In 2016, Atento acquired a majority stake in Frost Sullivan to expand collections and digital collections capabilities. In 2017, the company announced an agreement to acquire a majority stake in Interfile to expand back-office automation and credit origination capabilities. Interfile is a provider of BPO services for large clients in the banking and financial services sector in Brazil. Strategic partnerships. In 2018, the company announced a strategic partnership with Keepin, a semantic technology provider, to expand artificial intelligence and automatization capabilities of its omnichannel platform. In the same year, Atento and Falconi signed an alliance to provide integrated management, consulting, and outsourcing services for all types of organizations. In 2018, Atento also reached a partnership with T-System on the provision of data center services in Brazil and with Unimed Rio in Brazil to modernize its customer relationship structure. Divestments. In 2014, Atento announced the sale of its operations in the Czech Republic to Condate SBA to continue strengthening its focus on its core markets. In 2015, Atento announced the sale of its operations in Morocco to Intelsia Group. Atento's operations in Morocco, which provides services to the Spanish market, were excluded from the transaction and continue operating as part of Atento Spain. Awards and recognitions. Atento has subsequently been recognized by Great Place to Worker as one of the 25 world's best multinational workplaces in 5 different occasions and one of the 25 Latin America best multinationals to work for. The company has also been recognized as one of the best workplaces in some of the countries where it operates, including Spain, Brazil, or Argentina. The company has maintained the recognition by Great Place to Worker in Uruguay, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Colombia, and Central America, and the Caribbean. The company has also been awarded several times the IMT Awards in Mexico, ABEMDI Awards in Brazil, CRC Gold Awards, including as Best Customer Service Outsourcer in Spain in 2018, and ranked as the second most innovative company in Brazil's service sector, according to Valor Econômico. Also, for several years has Atento been named a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for Customer Management Contact Center BPO.